Hi friends, I'm here with Maran at the BMC stand in the beautiful Amsterdam. Please introduce yourself.
So yeah, thank you very much. So yeah, I'm Maran Filali, working for BMC for since this year actually as a BDR covering Control-M, our best solution actually here in BMC. I'm based in Dublin, Ireland, and I cover the French and Switzerland markets as a BDR. So thank you for having me today.
Thank you, Maran. And I'm really curious to hear how you innovate and what you bring you here.
Yeah, absolutely. So nowadays, one of the biggest challenges today is the move to cloud. And the BMC also has been known very well in the last few years to providing the best solution for data orchestration and for data automation. So in order today to automate a whole workflow with data can be stocked in different cloud providers, for example, Amazon or Google, which are our partner, of course, Control-M provide a new solution called Helix Control-M that can help company to automate the whole workflow, to have the whole data available all the time, even it's stocked in different cloud providers, which is today a big challenge for a lot of companies.
Oh, I see. So having data distributed in different places might be a challenge. How you tackle this challenge and how you simplify the integration between the services?
Absolutely. So in BMC, we have what we call today spaghetti dishes with a lot of application, maybe all around the company. You have the ACP, you have the Snowflakes, you have your CRM, and you have, a tons of application that can be stocked everywhere in the company. And sometimes the communication between those applications, it's a big challenge. So Control-M, why Control-M actually is the best? Because Control-M can help you to connect all those applications, can help you to connect all those data and elaborate even this data, especially for the ACP, for all the financial part, which is today one of the biggest challenges in nowadays companies. And by doing this, Control-M can help you to orchestrate having a whole visual end-to-end about the whole process. So you can know where is your data, what's happening in your workflow, and if there is any problem, you can actually instantly detect it and resolve it. So Control-M today, it's a must, and every company
That's
should have it.
that's so great. I'm a big fan of observability, but do you have any use case with generative AI specifically?
Absolutely, yeah. Narrative AI, actually for EI, maybe I'm not really the right person to talk about EI. There's be another one,
Perfect.
but for let's say a big use case that we might have, for example, is Domino's Pizza that today can orchestrate.
Everybody loves Domino.
Oh, absolutely, everyone loves pizza. So with Domino's Pizza, actually, we have a very huge use case where we actually Control-M, Helix Control-M can orchestrate more than 20,000 jobs.
Wow.
20,000 jobs. So a huge amount of data can be orchestrated with 0% of error, which is today incredible. We are very proud actually to work with them.
Wow. I'm really, this is very great result. I'm really thankful that you share with us this use case,
Absolutely.
and I really would like to know you more, so I will include some link in the description.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, guys.